Monday. It's the 12th of July, and I'm going to go take my COVID test that I have to take within 3 days of leaving to go to the UK. Thankfully, it's free because I have to pay for a test, another test to take afterwards anyway. So that's going to be an experience. Yay! I love taking the COVID test, don't you? Anybody who has taken the COVID test knows no one loves it. It's too early in the morning. There's too many people out. I say people, I mean cars. That's okay. It's actually really nice. I don't like that. I don't know. Maybe it's my sunglasses though. Yeah, it's my sunglasses making it a little bit more muted and pastel-y. But anywho, let's get a going. Okay. I hate that so much. Oh, but it's done. I'll get the results tonight, which will be, fast. Okay. They just did it up the nose, they didn't go down the throat, but oh my gosh, they did both nostrils, and my nostrils are not very unhappy right now. In Pegoma, we're allowed to have our masks off outside. So, fresh air! Woo! Nice shade. Yay, it's done. Okay, bye. Oh, that's hot. Okay.
What will be the weather?
It's meant to be at a high of 23.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, it's not too bad. And the low is 13. Which is why I have my jacket.
Huh?
I'm looking forward to some colder weather as well. It will be good, I think. For me, at least. This is all my stuff. Right now, this is what my life fits into. Backpack, 2 suitcases. And I got a bunch of food from Aurelia. Beautiful, beautiful house. This house. The entrance to the airport's right over there. And I'm scared to go in. I was crying because I'm going to miss the family. I'm still kind of teary. I'm also really excited and terrified, and I don't know what to do. I do know what to do. Just go in there, wait for a few hours because I got here early. But yes. My tummy is all wobbly. I'm going home. Home time to Bristol. So, as you may be able to tell, there's been a scenery change, as it were. I've moved, hence the, the airplanes and the footage before this footage now. I moved from south of France to Bristol, England. This is where I intend to spend the rest of my life, for the foreseeable future at the very least. My fiance is from here and lives here, obviously, and now I live here too, and it's great. I hardly got any problems from the visa peoples. Just, a lot of patience was needed for sure. I'm probably, you know what? Yes, so this is going to be a video about updates and changes of what's going to happen, because many things will be happening. So I'm going to be in quarantine for 10 days. Boop, boop, boop. So in those 10 days, not much will be occurring, but I do have a couple of videos in store that are really chill, really relaxed, and really cute filled, I think. I think they're going to be very cute filled. I hope you enjoy them. It's honestly going to be me just, like, getting really excited about material things, which, everybody should do every now and again, I think, because if you're not getting excited for what brings you joy, then what's the point? Also, a forewarning, I may not have many costume changes because I got these new dungarees in. They're, where's it? There's the thingy. They're Lucy and Yak. I'm sorry, down here too. Lucy and Yak. Blech. Does this help? I don't know if this helps. Can you see it? It's 100% organic cotton. They're so comfy. I love them. I love them to pieces. I had to really roll them up though because I am a short me. But yeah, no, check them out. I may talk about them more in the future. Who knows? We'll see. But I really love them, so I'm not gonna really get out of them, honestly. And of course, there's gonna be lots of tea in the next forever. There's going to be COVID testing because in the UK you have to take a COVID test. All right, I have the parcel right here actually. So I got this shipped today to me. I had to pay, what was it, I want to say £128 for 2 tests. One you're supposed to take either before or on the 2nd day after you've arrived. The other you're supposed to take either on or after the 8th day after you've arrived. And if you have negative tests, negative accomplishments? No, that doesn't make sense. Negative results. Results of the negative. I probably should not shake that around. Then you're good to go. You're clear. You can be free out in the world. I so desperately want to be free out in the world of Bristol right now because I love Bristol so much. And I can't wait to show Bristol to old me who's watching this. Future enjoy me. Enjoy you being excited about Bristol. I wonder how I'll feel about Bristol when I'm older and I've lived here for a long time. We'll see. It'll be an interesting experience. I noticed today, very specifically, like I've been kind of just chilling out on the sofa, you know, because quarantining. Not really much else you're gonna do other than just relax, which, hey, I'm down with. Especially considering I am not allowed to like do any work or anything like that right now. I'm gonna get into that in another video because I'm going to talk about visas in another video, particularly fiance visas in the UK. Anywho, you like my cat mug? He's good. There. The light is kind of like right on it, so it's hard to. Oh wait. Oh no, that's perfect. Crazy cat lady. Do. Not her. Bye bye. I don't actually have a cat. Sorry about that. Anywho, so yes, quarantining for 10 days to come. Videos will continue to go up. I hope you enjoyed the journey of going from France to Hungary for like literally an hour in the airport to Bristol. I'm sorry that there isn't really like any footage of entering into the city of Bristol, I suppose. I got way too excited and kind of just threw literally all my things around when I saw my beloved and jumped onto them, and my phone was lost to me in the back of the vehicle. And also I was too busy snuggling. We hadn't seen each other for 7 months, over 7 months really, so anywho, yes, I will see you in the future. I hope you're having a lovely day, having a wonderful time, and yeah, enjoy. Lots of love.